In this video I want to show you how to open the hood of your Subaru Impreza. Also works on the Crosstrek. So you're gonna go on the driver's side footwell, and over here you see there's this emblem, and under it there's a latch with the hood open. Pull on it, close the door, and let's go in the front. Now this car doesn't have a grille, so it's easier for me to show you. Basically there is this latch over here. You see, this is a latch that we need to push towards the left. So slide your fingers, find the latch and slide it towards the left, and at the same time lift the hood. I'll try to do it. It's a bit hard with a phone in my hand, but yeah, you see, just by doing this you're gonna unlatch the hood, and now it's time to put the prop rod. The rod goes in the hole where you see the arrow, and just like that you have access under the hood of your Subaru Impreza. Thanks for watching.